Okay, today we discussing about toxicology, principle of toxicology. My name is S.K. Batin Rahman, Assistant Professor of Department of Pharmacy. So, learning of objective is an understanding of concept of toxicology, understanding a concept of acute and subacute toxicity. Okay, different understanding of genotoxicity, teratogenicity, and the phenotype of carcinogenicity. Okay, this is the main objective of any kind of toxicology. Okay. Now in toxicology, firstly introduce in this study of poisonous effect of drug, other chemical and with the emphasis of the detection and prevention or treatment of poisoning. Okay, the study of adverse effect of the chemical agent on biological system. Toxicology is the studying the capacity of chemical agent to affect the organism adversity. The goal of toxicity assigned to the identified adverse effect of substance. Adverse effect depend on the two main types of the route of the exposure or oral inhalation and dermatic, and the doses. Second number is dosage, duration and concentration of exposure. Okay. Second one is then toxicology. Toxicology is a study of effective dose other the chemical emphasis. Okay. So it is a science of dealing with property of action, toxicity, fatal dose, and detection of extermination of drug interaction of the result of the toxicology analysis and management of the poisoning. The poisoning is defined as a substance, solid, liquid, and gaseous. When the administration is the living body through the any route. Inhalation like surface body absorption will be produced illness or death by the any action which is due to its physical, chemical, and physiological property. This is the substance which is the harmless at small quantity of many act as poisonous and causes by death by taking of large amount. Okay, a toxic agent is anything that can be produced the adverse biological effect. It may be chemical and physical. Biological for the example of toxic agent may be chemical such as cyanide, physical is reduction like different type of radiation, and biological is such as snake venom. So now here we're discussing about the acute toxicity. Okay, the acute toxicity described as an adverse effect of substance that is the result of either form of single exposure or from the multiple exposure in the short period of time, usually less than 24 hours. Is described the acute toxicity adverse effect should be occurred within the 14 days. Okay, of the administration of any kind of substance. Acute toxicity referred to the poisonous state. It is the adverse effect that combined with the follow. Suddenly onset, several nature. There's a rapid changing in course of program. This is the program of any kind of drug. Okay, this is related to the short duration of the acute toxicity. All the causes for exposure of large dose of weak toxic and of a small dose of protein powder toxicity. It is the happen one of the number of, this is the shortest period of time. In acute toxicity, the able to the substance to causes poisonous effective result of several biological harm to or death. Soon after the single expose or dose, also several poisoning effect of result from the single dose of exposure of the toxic effect. Subacute toxicity, the property of the substance of mixture of the substance as causes to adverse effect in the organism upon the repeated or continuous expose which is the less than lifetime of the organism. Chronic toxicity. The development of adverse effect of the result of long-term exposure to the contamination of the other stress. But as specific as several with a chronic toxicity as well direction of lethal, but they are most of the commonly sublethal, including changes in growth and reproduce and behavior. The capability of the substance to causes the long-term poisonous harm human health effect upon to repeated dose of lifetime and their lifetime exposed or the prolonged exposure. Now in here, genotoxicity. Genotoxicity describes the property of chemical agent to damage the genetical. This is a genotoxicity. Okay, the genotoxicity describes the property of chemical agent. The danger of the genetic information within the cell causes the mutation, which is may leads to cancer. It's an important note. This is all mutagen of genotoxicity. However, all genotoxicity substances are the mutagen. The genotoxic word of genetical defined as a destructive effect of cell genetic material like DNA, RNA, affecting on the intrinsic. Now, the genotoxicity are mutagen. They are the cause for mutagen. Mutagen are include both radiation and chemical genotoxicity as well. The substance has been property of the genotoxicity is the mainly known as genotoxicity. Okay, so this is the prime effect of genotoxicity have been organism by the effect of genetic information. Genotoxicity can be carcinogenic or cancer causing agent, mutagen or mutant of the any kind of agent like teratogenic effect like BARF deficiency causes agent, like different type of microorganism, different type of carcinogenic effect. Like genotoxicity is like a genetically toxic, like genetically effective toxicity, like which is the effect through the chemically or as well as radiation are also can be causes for genotoxicity. Okay, now in here carcinogenicity. Okay, so it's a toxicity for carcinogenic. Okay, the carcinogenicity is the ability of carcinogenicity causes for the cancer called carcinogenicity. Okay, the carcinogenicity defined as something that directly causes cancer. Okay, this can be chemical property or virus or even medicament. Other radiation used for the treatment of cancer. Okay, so carcinogenicity may be directly damage to DNA cell, causes mutation, which is the turn into the leads to the stripping of the any kind of growth of cell, any kind of division of the cell. In here, you see that the carcinogenicity mainly damage the any kind of cell thing. Okay, is that damage your DNA as well as RNA, also turn into disturbing of any disturb with any kind of cell growth or cell division. Depend on carcinogenicity may be instantly damage or inflammation that causes for cell division more rapidly. Its carcinogenicity is causes for mainly damage the cell or as well as cell division. It's happened to so rapidly. Okay, so when the cell is division, there is always chance to changes will occur. Mutation is called mutation. When changes something genetically changes cause for cancer, so it is cause for mutation, which is the turn increase the changes of develop of cancer. Type of carcinogenicity include chemical substance, environmental radiation, medical radiation, and virus, some medicament, and lifestyle also are factor like so many type, in some of the someone take 10 cigarette per day, so it's causes for turn into carcinogenic effect. So, or also pollution is also causes for the carcinogenity or cancer, causes for cancer. Now we are discussing about teratogenicity. Okay, they differ to capable of teratogenicity due to causes the fertile, like small children, fertile like a baby, like any kind of newborn baby, fertile abnormality when the administration of pregnant women. Okay, teratogenicity is agent which causes to permanent alternative structure of the organism to emphasize the fertile life. The thalidomide disaster, we know that all over the in thalidomide disaster 1959 to 1961, the result for thousands of baby born cause of different type of and deficiency of focus. Okay, different type of cause for is thalidomide disaster, we are all know that. Now, teratogenicity effect of the teratogenicity effect, different type of teratogenicity with thalidomide like smoking, different type of smoking, different alcohol intake, also on different type of anti-cancer agent, different type of antibiotic, warfarin, different type of sodium valproic acid, and different type of inhibit the different type of aspirin. Aspirin also causes for teratogenicity effect. Okay. Now in here, mutagenicity. Mutagenicity is referred to the chemical physical agent which is capable to mutation. Okay, mutation of the genetical alternate. The agent which damages the DNA causes for leads to result of cell death or mutation or the genotoxicity or the mutation. Mutation are changes of the any kind of any organism cell mutation in sequence or interact with the any kind of regular. It's a regular abnormal when it's happen every time or happen in your body in our body mutation, but somehow it's not regular mutation. It's a kind of disease type of mutation. This is a make for DNA for environmental factor. So what are the environmental factor like some of radiation? That is what of the radiation, UV radiation is also happen. So in here, mutation is changed to occur of DNA. Square is either for mistake of DNA in copy. This is the environmental factor such as UV light or cigarette smoking. Okay, so different type of mutation is divided into category like physical agent like radiation or heat, chemical agent like alkaline agent, like different of biological agent are causes for the mutation. Thank you. This is the all of the toxicity and principle of toxicity are we discuss in this video.